This is the last day for the year 2024, and I am driving a truck of another driver. So I wanted to make sure that I leave the truck clean for him. I cleaned everything from inside, sanitized and cleaned. Now I'm hoping my dream crashed. I was hoping to have a truck wash. The truck wash is closed. That's okay. At least I have the intention to do good. I think I left him the truck in a very good condition. He seemed to be a very organized person, and his truck is shining, and I wanted to leave it the same way. Oh well. That scene that you see all these containers, we never have that many containers empty in one spot because of the new year and whatever happens in the physical accounting issues. They try to clean the work of the last year and start the new year. Whatever that financial accounting aspect is responsible for that, I have no idea. But the business goes down badly from beginning of, well, after the Christmas until February. We're struggling with making the 40 hours a week. I made about 18 hours in 2 days, which is not bad. Today I made 8 hours. Let us go home. Let us go home and live like normal people. Just until tomorrow. Normal for a few hours.